Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this week I'm going to show you guys how I created this charging station as a gift from my husband for Father's Day, along with these bookmarks of our kids. So let's get started. So for the bookmarks, you just want to start by taking photos of your kids, having them hold their hands above their heads, and then getting these photos printed at Walmart. So I printed two 4x6 photos, and then you're just going to trace out their silhouette and cut them, cut their silhouette out. Next, to prevent obviously this bookmark from tearing, I just took dollar store clear tape, and I'm going to add tape on the front side of the photo as well as on the back. Once again, you're just going to cut out their silhouette and cut off all that excess tape that you don't need. So this is my inexpensive form of laminating photos. If you actually go to laminate, it's like at Staples or something, it's a few dollars, but if you just use a clear tape, it's literally $1. So super inexpensive, and it gets the job done. Next, you're just going to use your single hole punch and punch one hole between their hands. So I bought this color pack string also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use this for the tassel. So pick whichever color you like, cut off a large piece of it, fold it, I guess 4 or 5 times, string it between the hole where you just punched that hole, and tie it, double knot it. Next, using my scissors, I'm just going to trim off the tassel because it was really uneven. And that's it for the bookmark. So literally from start to finish, I think one bookmark took me only 5 minutes to make. Not to mention the cost was under $1. So it's super inexpensive and a cute little gift. So next, for the charging station, I started by buying this frame from the Dollar Tree. It's for a 4x6 photo, but the frame itself actually measures 8 inches by 10 inches if you want to buy the same size. So you just want to start by removing the backing and the glass insert. So first I used my cream spray paint to spray paint the frame. That was a terrible idea. I hated the colors, so just ignore this step. Next, I went over that with just simple dollar store paint. It's white paint, and I used my foam brush, and I'm just going to paint this entire frame white. So next, you just want to create an opening for your wire, for your cell phone wire to come through. So I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife, and this frame is plastic, so it's actually pretty easy to just pop a hole in. So I just press down firmly with the X-Acto knife, and on either side I've pressed down firmly, and then I just use my fingers to just wiggle the plastic back and forth, and it just popped out. Next, I bought this scrapbook sheet from Hobby Lobby. It was only 33 cents. This is the only thing that I didn't get from the Dollar Tree. So you can just go to any arts and crafts store, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, anything, and just buy one scrapbook sheet in whatever design or color that you like. So I took the glass insert of the frame, and I'm going to trace it on this paper, and then I'm going to cut it to size. Next, I just used my simple Elmer's glue from the Dollar Tree as well to glue that paper to the glass, the front of the glass. paint from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna use small bristle brush, and I guess this is like the dry brush technique. You just put paint on the brush and then you wipe all of the paint off so that there's almost no paint on your brush, and you just gently brush your frame so that very little paint gets on the area, I guess, that you're trying to paint. This just gives a little bit of texture and makes the frame, I guess, a little more interesting than what it looked like before. And that's it. The whole charging station is finished. It's so practical. I love this because we were always running around looking for chargers before and we literally never could find one. And now this is just going to be in a designated area where anyone can just go and charge their phone whenever they like. And honestly, this entire thing was so budget friendly. I had most of the stuff at home, so it only cost me $4. But let's say you don't have anything at home and you go and buy all of this stuff, the project is still under $10, which is super inexpensive. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you see all my latest tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next week's video, God willing. Bye!